Guys, look! May gaganaping audition para sa fiesta sa Barangay Poblasyon. And I think kailangan natin mag-participate para mapakita kung anong meron kayo. What do you think?
Right. I think this is our chance.
Pero pwede ba tayo dyan?
Tara, let's go guys! May premyo ata.
Pero di ba sabi dito, dancer yung hinahanap nila?
Naku guys, we got this. Marunong naman tayo sumayaw, di ba?
Oo nga guys. Ako bahala sa inyo. Sandali.
Bakit ang tagal niyo sumagot? Kanina ako tawag ng tawag sa inyo.
Okay. So may inform ko lamang po si ma'am, hindi lamang po ikaw ang subscriber ma'am dito sa Pilipinas.
Ganun ba?
Ay?
Pwede pong magtanong?
So, ganyan ba dapat ang mga nagtatanong? Kayong may kailangan di ho ba? Ganyan ba dapat ang boss sa mga nagtatanong, ma'am?
Hello? Is this Mr. Mike Fernandez?
Yes, I'm Mike Fernandez. I'm the audition coordinator. How may I help you?
I'm Rai Sagara from Retro Management and nakita ko sa flyers nyo na naghahanap kayo ng performer para sa fiesta.
Yes, we are currently looking for the band to perform. Why?
I am currently managing a band and I think they would perfectly fit for the fiesta. Do you want to hear more about them?
Yes, you can visit the place tomorrow where the audition will happen.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Oh, hi. Sino po kayo?
Good morning, sir.
Kinikilig naman ako sa siya'y na lalaki. Tipong ligaw tingin, wag mong kausapin na pipipi. Pero over ka, hindi makuha.
I'm Rai Sagara, sir. Ako po yung tumawag sa inyo kahapon para mag-audition.
Oo, natatandaan ko kayo. Buti pumunta kayo.
Oh, sir, hindi namin papalagpasin ang oportunidad na to.
Maaari bang malaman ko kung feel na feel mo nang sabihin, sana ay sabihin.
O, ilan pala kayong magpe-perform?
5 kami, sir. By the way, sir, kasama ko yung banda na hawak ko. Tara, pasok kayo.
Miss Raisa, pwede pong papilmapan to and punta po kayo dito sa director and judge kung saan po kayo magpe-perform.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Maaari bang malaman ko kung feel na feel mo nang sabihin, sana ay...
Guys, tara, pasok. Mag-audition na tayo.
Nagsimula sa patikim-tikim, pinilit kong gustuhin. Bisyo'y nagsimulang kabilin-bilinan ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa.
At cool ka lang, bakit ba?
Chuba, chup chup chuba, chup chup chuba, chup chup chuba, chup chup chuju, chuba, chup chup chuba, chup chup chuba, chuba, chup chuba, chuba, chup chuba, chuba, chup chuba, chuba, chup chuba.
Good morning, Director
Yeah, good morning.
Morning. May mag-audition po para sa darating na piyesta.
Audition? Anong performance?
Band po.
Band? Nag-iwara ba sila kahapon dito?
Yes, tumawag po ako and na-inform ko po kayo.
Banda? Akala ko dancer yung nahanap natin.
Yeah.
But sabi po na kasi nila na nung nakausap ko is, kaya naman daw po nila.
Okay, sige, we'll see. Papasukin mo.
Pasok kayo.
Pasok kayo, sige.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm Raisa Gara and ako po yung talent manager ng The Revive Band. Tara guys, pasok kayo.
Patingin ang profile mo. Banda, kasi dancer yung hinahanap natin. Pero sige, pasok.
Bombastic side eye.
Hindi mag-alala, sir. Mga marunong naman po sila sumayaw. Talented po sila.
Criminal offensive side eye.
Sige, kasi hinahanap namin dancer. Ang dami kasi pupuntang governor, so inaasahan namin dapat entertaining. Pero sige, kung kayong sumayaw, sige, mag-add kami ng talent fee nyo. So, gusto namin makita yung performance niya.
Yeah, we'll see.
Thank you, sir. Guys, kaya natin ito. Pakita nyo kung anong meron kayo.
Maaari bang malaman ko kung feel na feel mo nang sabihin?
So, good morning, sir and ma'am, and thank you for the opportunity that you have given us. So, before we proceed to the demo presentation of the band, let me introduce first the guitarist, our main vocalist, the ukulele, and the drums.
Okay, good luck. Good luck, best of luck, guys.
Thank you.
Good job, guys.
I love your performance, but I think something is off. Their style?
Hindi, actually okay naman. Kaso, ang tigas ng katawan ng singer nyo. Tsaka, again, dancer yung hinahanap namin, hindi banda. So, we're hoping na sana entertaining. Guys, fiesta to and maraming governor na manonood. So, parang sana namin talagang entertaining siya. And based sa nakita namin, ang titigas ng katawan nyo. Tsaka, Diyos ko, yung mga gitarista, Diyos ko, ayaw man nang gumalaw. Ano to?
I think they can do more, like move.
Yeah, we're hoping for more. Ano to? Ano?
Huwag kayong mag-alala, sir. Mga magagaling naman sila at saka una pa lang nila yung performance. Sa susunod, gagalingan pa nila at mas gagalingan.
Well, I don't think so. Kasi may 11 na to eh. A week before, performance na.
But sir, if you give us a chance, what do you think?
Well, guys, isang linggo na lang to, tapos magpa-practice pa kayo. Parang tingin ko wala ng oras. Pero sige, parang
give a chance.
Wala namang nag-audition ngayon eh. So sige, bigyan namin kayo ng pagkakataon, one last chance, and then we'll see if pasok kayo. Tatawagan namin kayo 3 days before ng performance day and we'll see if kayo yung mag-perform. And also,
The light of day that shows me how, and when the
ng Judge Ila?
I think may improvement naman sa performance nila today.
Yeah, actually yes, meron. To be honest, yung performance nyo, okay siya. Nag-improve naman from your previous performance. Mas entertaining. Again, you committed to perform, dance, and sing, which you did. Also, fiesta, ang hinahanap kasi namin talaga is dancer. Ayun yung Ewan ko ba kay Mike, bakit siya naghanap ng banda. But again, you prove us wrong. So, we'll see. Monday next week, yung fiesta natin. So, and also, ayoko makita yung gusto ko ibang performance naman.
Noted, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sige. Mike, yung
next... guys!
Congratulations, guys.
Yeah.
Mike, yung next audition, ipapasukin na. Wala, yung pizza natin. Charing, go na.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Go.
Thank you again, Direk, for having us in your studio. I'm really excited na mapabilang ang Revive Band sa label nyo.
Oh, absolutely.
And please let me know if kailangan namin pumunta sa studio nyo ulit.
Sure,
at
absolutely.
Ng contract signing.
Okay, I will text you na lang.
That's good to hear, Direk. Thank you and happy
Absolutely,
partnership.
alright. Absolutely.
Babe, for a moment in time, ever since everlasting, that you will always be mine. That I wanna be free, so let you fly. Even in my heart, babe, I don't let them know.
You'll always be mine. Now you wanna be free, yeah. So I'm letting you fly. 'Cause I know in my heart, babe, our love will never die, no. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby, and we'll linger on. Time can't erase a feeling that's strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me.